Hello everyone, welcome back to Lipinia's Kitchenette. I have here my simple recipe. This is simple but yummy and healthy chicken steak. This is chicken legs sauteed with garlic and onions, with bay leaves, and seasoned with black pepper, garlic powder, paprika powder, with chicken bouillon, with bay leaves, and added with a little bit soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. And I have here on the top, I garnish it with bell pepper and tomatoes, and with red and green chili, and with potatoes. Okay, look at this, guys. This is a very healthy, yummy chicken steak. We call it in the Philippines adobo. This is a big slice of chicken legs. Look at this. So this can be served with rice or with bread. So you have to saute the garlic first and onions, and you can add ginger if you want. Then stir fry this chicken, and add seasonings, and add also a little bit of vinegar, because the vinegar add the taste and aroma of the chicken steak, and also it will remove the bad smell of the chicken. And then added the seasonings and potatoes, bell pepper, and this green and red chili. So this is a very yummy, healthy chicken steak or chicken adobo Filipino style. I did not add water because the chicken is already juicy. Look at this. Just cook in the moderate heat or medium heat until it is completely cooked. Look at this. Very, very yummy